Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Surface has power and a keyboard attached so you can interact quickly. Once done, confirm you remember the Microsoft account email or local admin username. This is essential for recovery. If the device won't reach the sign-in screen, press and hold volume up plus power to open UEFI. That helps diagnose hardware-level lock issues. Make sure to note whether Windows Hello or a PIN was used, so the next steps target the right unlock method. Now proceed to recovery. At the lock screen, choose Sign-in options and select I forgot my PIN to follow the Microsoft account flow. You'll verify via email or phone. If online recovery fails, use a USB recovery drive created on another PC. Insert it, boot from USB via UEFI, and choose Repair your computer. In the recovery environment, go Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options to access startup settings, System Restore, or Command Prompt for deeper fixes. These let you reset credentials. Finish by signing in with your Microsoft account to set a new PIN or create a local admin password after verification. This restores normal access. Once inside, enable Windows Hello and run Windows Update so firmware and drivers are current, which prevents repeat lockouts. If problems persist, use the USB recovery drive to reset or reinstall Windows. Only choose Reset when you've backed up data. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery options fail, record error codes and contact Microsoft support with those codes for guided assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.